does your newborn sneeze a lot, don't worry. They're not sick. In fact, it's totally normal. Newborns sneeze for one big reason: their tiny noses are still adjusting to the world. At birth, their nasal passages are super small and extra sensitive. They sneeze to clear out dust, lint, or milk droplets, adjust to new air, and keep their airways open. It's like their nose is learning how to breathe cleanly. Kind of amazing, right? And here's a fun fact: they even sneeze in the womb sometimes. Unless they have a fever, cough, or trouble breathing. All that sneezing, just part of being brand new.